Every parent wants to give their child the best future possible. But here's the big question. How do you secure that future? Is it through savings account, fixed deposits, or maybe something more rewarding? Today, let's explore the best one-time investment plan for your child and how they can help you turn dreams into reality. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So first, why one-time investment? Life is full of uncertainties, but one thing is certain. Your child's future deserves to be financially secure. Let's say you received a windfall of 5 lakhs from an inheritance. Would you let it sit idle in a savings account, or would you invest it smartly to grow into 15 or 20 lakhs over time? A one-time investment is like planting a tree. You nurture it once and over time it grows and bears fruit when you need it the most. It's a way to ensure that your child's future is financially protected even if life takes unexpected turns. Now let us take a look at common investment options and their challenges. So number one is fixed deposits. FDs are often the first choice for many parents. Why? Because they are safe and guarantee returns. But here's the downside. Most FDs barely keep up with inflation. Imagine investing 5 lakhs today and realizing 10 years later that the returns aren't enough to cover your child's college fees. Is that a risk worth taking? Number 2 is gold. So gold holds sentimental value in many families, but does it hold financial value? While it's a great hedge against inflation, gold's returns over the years haven't been stellar. Plus, there's no compounding. Wouldn't you prefer an investment that multiplies your money over time rather than one that just sits in a locker? 3 is Kisan Vikas Patra KVP. So KVP doubles your money in about 10 years. Sounds appealing, right? But what if you could triple or even quadruple your money in the same time frame? KVP is reliable, but it's not designed for aggressive growth. Is it enough for your child's big dreams? So let's talk about equity mutual funds, the ultimate game changer. Why are they the best one-time investment plan for your child? Because they offer the magic of compounding and the potential for high returns. Here's a scenario. You invest 5 lakhs in a well-performing mutual fund with an annual return of 12%. In 15 years, that 5 lakhs could grow to over 25 lakhs. That's the power of equity mutual funds. They not only beat inflation but also create substantial wealth over time. So let's make this relatable with a real life example. Suppose your child's grandparents' gift is 1 lakh for their birthday. So instead of spending it or letting it sit idle, you invest it in an equity mutual fund. So over 15 years with an average return of 12%, that 1 lakh could grow to 5 lakhs. By doing this, you're not just saving money, you're gifting your child a head start in life. Whether it's for college, a first car, or even a dream business, that investment can become the foundation for their success. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't the stock market risky? It's a valid concern, but here's the truth. The longer your investment time horizon is, the lower your risk will be. So equity mutual funds diversify your money across multiple companies, industries, and sectors, reducing overall risk. Think of it like this. Would you rather carry all your eggs in one basket or spread them across many? Over 10 to 15 years, time smoothens out market volatility, making equity mutual funds a smart choice for long-term financial goals. So what's the greatest gift you can give your child? It's not just toys or gadgets. It's the security of a financially sound future. With a one-time investment in equity mutual funds, you can ensure that your child's dreams are backed by financial stability. So why wait? Start today, because the best time to invest was yesterday, the second best time right now. Secure your child's financial future with the smartest financial move you will ever make. And if you like this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.